So they're both going to spend Netflix and Disney full speed ahead.
Yeah.
Now you have now you have Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
Is going to start writing billion-dollar checks to the NFL.
And Lord of the Rings.
And you have Apple, who's
getting better.
At any moment, Apple could just decide to drop a huge spending blitz, a bomb on Hollywood.
Yeah.
Anytime it feels like it.
Yeah.
So how could you be subscale in an environment where the average consumer is going to have how many of these things?
So who's that? Like Peacock?
Yeah, I mean those people they won't stick around.
Paramount Plus.
They won't be services.
Can any of them get bought? Why wouldn't Apple just buy one of these things?
Well, I think Microsoft ATVI is an interesting case of whether or not stuff like this is going to be allowed to be done. I mean, is Apple going to be allowed to go buy any company for $20 billion?
I think Apple will get away with it because they're not acquisitive. I don't think Alphabet could. Or Amazon. I'm pretty sure Apple could.
What's Disney Hulu going to look like in a year or two?
Well, they have to resolve the fact that Comcast still owns a third of Hulu. But once they do that, I think they eventually collapse Hulu into kind of a Disney app base. I mean, they have the bundle now, which effectively works okay. But I think they need to integrate it.
But these services are getting better. Like Apple's getting significantly better.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Hulu's getting significantly better.
Yeah.
Like the content is getting better. But the next chart shows that Netflix is still the king.
Let me see.
Like,
oh, wow. By double.
Yeah.
What is this? This is streaming revenues.
Yeah,
Netflix is still twice as big as Disney.
Run rate annual revenues. Netflix is twice as big as Disney, basically, and bigger than all three of them combined.
Netflix is so big.
Yeah.
And it's so international.
Yeah.
They've done such a great job in so many countries in a way that, like, I think would even be a challenge for Disney.
Back to the previous point about WBD and their international problems, their international run rate revenues now are basically $1.7 billion a year. Netflix International is $17 billion.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
As they to go global for them is just such a massive challenge. And if they had a decent balance sheet, it would be a massive challenge.
And then Netflix repurposing global content for the U.S. market has been an absolute home run.
Yeah.
One that nobody thought was possible.